Now, the level 3 course, the level 3A, is called data manipulation. And so this course would be of value to those people who work with large lists. You have large lists in Excel, and it's the sort of tools that you would find helpful, like filtering. Now, we touch on filtering in level 1, but this gets right into the nitty-gritty. We look at advanced filtering, which is incredible because it allows you to extract those records that match often complex criteria and put them elsewhere. But it also looks at things like outlining, which is the ability to collapse and expand detail. It looks at pivot tables, which are an essential tool if you need to summarize what's going on with a large amount of data. It is the introductory course to pivot tables, so really, really good. But it also has an undercurrent throughout the entire level 3, and that is macros. Macros, if you're not familiar with macros are like recording your favorite program. So if you have a task that you do on a repetitive basis, then what you do is you tell Excel to record what you're about to do. So you put Excel in record mode, you carry out those tasks, whether it's just a couple of tasks or a lot of tasks, and it records everything you do, and then you stop recording. And then the next week or the next day or the next month that you have to perform those tasks, you simply run the macro and it does it for you. So throughout the level 3, we're manipulating large amounts of data, often in a repetitive way. And so once we've got everything sort of sussed in terms of doing things manually, then I want to create macros throughout the entire session to automate things that we've learnt to do manually. So I hope that explains what the level 3 is about. It is really about tools that are useful when you work with large amounts of data, and it's level 3A.